done lost your mind. I think this is the most I ever paid for a synthetic unit. We trying to make our hair last around here, and this is not lasting around here. Welcome back to another episode of I Brought It So You Don't Have To. And today's special guest is going to be a new sensational unit.
Save your coins, honey.
Run, run.
Cut it, cut it, hey, cut it, cut it, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, but taking it easy like poco a poco.
And welcome back to Epic Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Sensational What Lace collection. This is a new one. I'm wearing it in the style Chelsea and the color Balayage Hazelnut. So let's just jump into the specs of this one. So this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. So it does come pre-plucked. It does have 13x6 parting space. It does have very sparse baby hairs. You know what? I'm gonna just start this off by coming in and showing you guys this hairline. Like, look at this. They did the absolute minimum. The absolute minimum as far as plucking. And you would think at paying this price, like, I want to say this was like $63, which is way too much in my opinion for a synthetic unit. Like, what is happening? This hairline, I am absolutely disappointed with, you guys. So I just want to show you guys what the length on this unit is looking like. This one is super long, honey. So I am 5'3" for reference. My belly button's right here, you guys. This one is long. So this is all the hair to the front. It is at least 180%. If you do not like big curly hair, this one is not going to be for you. It is a lot of hair, but it is lightweight on my head. Now let me just pop into the texture real quick because I'm utterly confused. It is giving very much dry, synthetic-y, tangly vibes, and I'm not here for it. This one is like pretty looking. But what do we have on our hands? We have another look but don't touch unit. So the cap size on this one, you guys, as well, I don't know what you heard, but this one is absolutely going to be small and medium head friendly. This is not big head friendly at all, honey. My head is on the smaller to medium size, and girl, it is snug. It is snug like a bug in a rug, girl. Like, it's not tight or anything on my head, but like, I feel like if it was any more smaller, then it would not be fitting my head. So I think if you have a larger size head, honey, run for the hills. This is not going to be for you. You are going to be disappointed with the amount of money you're pouring into this to be feeling how I'm feeling. We try to make our hair last around here, and this is not lasting around here. I don't know how long y'all think this is gonna last, but I give it at absolute tops, taking care of it, putting product in it, detangling it. I give it 2 to 3 days maximum. This unit is also heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can go ahead and add heat. Now, honey, y'all know I always do go in and style the unit as much as I possibly can when it comes with a good amount of parting space, but this one, let me tell you something, you can't. I mean, you can if you want to put up with all the tangling and the shedding that you're going to get when you try to part through it, but I'm not doing it. But I just decided to leave it because it comes with the middle part, and the parting space is beautiful, of course. I'll give them that, but you ain't doing nothing with this unit without it blowing up and looking crazy on you. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. Of course, just like I said throughout the video, my number one con is going to be the hairline. When you got cheaper units out there that are singular part from Sensational that has a better cap construction, a better hairline, better quality hair, it's just too much. They're just doing too much. I feel like they're just riding out their own hype at this point, and now it's kind of making me questionable about anything they come out in the future. We have purchased new units for the hairline and for the lace parting space, so when you're not coming with it, girl, Sensational, I'm disappointed in you, for real. So also another con that I had, of course, is going to be just the texture of it. Like, this hair quality is not, like, it's not doing it for me. It's not worth it. It's not going to last you at all. I mean, it's crazy because those are probably my only two cons, is going to be the texture and the hairline, but I feel like those are like two very big cons, especially when you're going to be paying this price point, but I'm not going to end it on a negative. No, I'm still going to give you the pros that I do find with this unit. Now, I will give a pro to the hairline not being atrocious because it is workable and you could definitely go in and customize it to your liking. It did a good job with the baby hairs, making them sparse. The lace parting space is great. I mean, I didn't take advantage of it, but if you are willing to commit and attempt to get it going, you could definitely do that. I think my favorite thing about this unit is definitely going to be the color blend for sure. This Balayage hazelnut color is beautiful, you guys, and I do feel like it's complimenting my skin. I'll give them that. And I do also kind of like this curl pattern. It's kind of giving like an effortless vibe. So I think that is pretty. To sum it up, I would not pick this unit up. I wouldn't really recommend you guys picking this up unless you're going into it with the feeling of not caring about customizing it, not really having it for a good amount of time. I definitely would say be cautious if this is one that you do plan on picking up. Make sure you have that extra money because, honey, you don't want to be disappointed. And I don't want you to be disappointed. I mean, it's pretty, but in my opinion, even if you want to stick with Sensational, they do have other units that have this vibe that you can get with either a singular parting space or you can get with the 13x6 wood lace. You know what I mean? So, in my opinion, they need to go back to the drawing board and take notes from themselves from their old unit, because y'all need to get it together. Y'all clearly are confused with what it is we're looking for and the prices that you think you could be charging. Like, for this, y'all done lost your mind. I think this is the most I ever paid for a synthetic unit and for a Sensational unit. Like, girl, like I said, I feel like at this point we're just paying for the brand itself and I'm not living for it at all. But anyways, let me know how you guys feel about this unit. Do you like it? Do you hate it? How you feel about it? Are you torn? Are you in the middle? You think you're still gonna rock with it? You think you're not gonna rock with it? Just let me know below in the comments. Also, let me know any of the units I'm gonna pick up and any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.